ABB's YuMi Cobots are revolutionizing the landscape of production and reshoring initiatives at SÜSS Corporation. Jörg Rieger, Managing Director, ABB Robotics Automotive Business Line, reshoring is becoming a key strategy in combating supply chain disruptions. Our flexible automation solutions are addressing these challenges, supporting companies like SÜSS to save time, enhance efficiency, and adapt swiftly to changing scenarios. Facing challenges in manual processes and workforce shortages, SÜSS Corporation turned to YuMi Cobots for solutions. Akihiro Taki, Team Manager, Die Casting Team, SÜSS Corporation, the robots have transformed our operations, freeing up workers from repetitive tasks and enabling us to optimize our workforce. With their help, we've increased productivity by 20%. Utilizing ABB's Robot Studio software, SÜSS Corporation designed and simulated the cobot deployment, ensuring seamless integration and precise operation. The 7-axis movement of YuMi replicated intricate assembly maneuvers, offering efficiency gains and paving the way for further automation. ABB's survey revealed labor shortages as a top challenge for manufacturers, with YuMi Cobots addressing these concerns while boosting productivity. As companies navigate workforce shortages and production complexities, ABB's YuMi Cobots remain a game changer, facilitating reshoring initiatives and enhancing manufacturing efficiency.